Hey, good morning again, everyone. This is Curtis again. I just did a video a few minutes ago, and I'm going to do another one real quick. This one's going to be on, again, MyBitcoinTube, and this one's going to be where I'm going to show you how to add your YouTube video once you get the credits to do that. Once you purchase an ad pack, you're going to get 100 credits toward putting your video up. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that real quick. It can be just a little tricky when you get to this one point, and I'm going to show you the point I'm talking about. Okay, I've got like 9 or 10 videos up now, so I'm going to do another one here live for you, show you what I'm talking about. So you've got enough credits to put a video up. So now what you want to do is hit Add New Video. And then all you're going to do is go over here to your YouTube. Or if you've got it where you don't have YouTube videos yet, you can use a YouTube downloader and download some videos and put your links in there. There's a lot of ways you can do this. If you want to, just contact me and I can tell you some other ways you can do this to get started. But the best thing is to have your own videos and you can get views and stuff. But I'm going to go to the last one that I know in order of what I'm going to put in. So this is going to be the next one I put in. All right, all you're going to do,
Not coming.
Get the link right here at the top, copy that, go back here to MyBitcoinTube, place this in here. I just erase that and put the whole link back in. Then I shoot across here to make sure it's in there right. It's right. And I get the title. This is very simple. But it seems like there's a place in here where it's a little confusing. Copy the title. Back to MyBitcoinTube. Put that in here. And hit Submit Video. Here's the place I think it's a little confusing because you're looking around, and I guess if you read this, it may help. But right after you do that, go to Manage Videos because you're going to think you're done, but you're not actually really done. Go to Manage Videos. Now you go find that video. It's your first one, it'll be easy. I'm going to go down there where there's no credits available. Right here it is, the very last one here. See, now right here, it's going to tell you credits you have available. You got to put a minimum of 100 on a video. You got to put a minimum of 100. It won't let you do like 30 or anything like that. So you go find your video. Go ahead and add your credits. Actually, it won't let you do that yet. Here we go. You want to validate your own video. So hit validate. Well, it's going to come up here and load. Now you want to press it. And it's going to play for 20 seconds, just like you would a video that you're watching, a paid video. It's going to do just like that. It's going to go for 20 seconds, and then it'll be validated. Give it just another couple seconds. All right, it'll say success. Click that. Now you're good there. Now you just go right back down here to that. I think now they moved it on me. Where I think they move it back. Man, I got so many videos in here now. I'm missing it. Oh, here we go. Yeah, right here it is. All right, I just validated. Now I want to put credits here. I can put whatever I want as long as it's more than 100. I have 300 to play with, so I'm going to go ahead and just make it 100. And then you hit add, and it's done. So that's how you do it. It's that easy. And I want to do another video on banners and other parts of the system. I'm going to break them up like that instead of just doing a video on 2 or 3 things. I'm going to separate it and do it on one thing so it makes it a little simpler. So hope that helps. A lot of people have some questions about that. There's that little place in there where it kind of looks like you're done, but you have to go back to hit Manage Videos and validate your own video, and then go back and add your credits, and you're good to go. Okay, guys, any questions, contact me on Facebook. I'll have my Facebook link in the description below also. Or you can comment on the video if you have a question. And if you're not in MyBitcoinTube and you're interested, I'll have a link for that also. And contact me and we can get started. All right, take care, guys, and have a great Sunday. Bye-bye.